Welcome to a Sea Gem, another one of our Maikai condos. A comfortable 2-2, perfect for your stay in Virginia Beach. We're in North End Virginia Beach. Just 2 blocks from the beach, you'll be able to see it from the parking lot. The space has super comfy living area connected to the dining room and kitchen. Make those memories together no matter where you are in this space. Room for games, cooking. This is a fully stocked kitchen, so anything that you need to make anything from small snacks to large meals for your family, we have it available for you. Just off of the living room is our master bedroom suite. So we have a king bedroom for you. And a TV. All of our TVs are smart TVs, so you can just log into your account so you're not missing anything. Pick back up on that show that you were in the middle of on the flight. And going into a tub and shower combination in case you're feeling a bubble bath on this vacation. Down the hallway, past the kitchen, you'll see our second bathroom. So obviously this is perfect for the living room use. This is also a bathtub shower combo, but this is also designed for our second bedroom here. So we have 2 full beds. Up to 4 people can sleep in here comfortably. Plenty of storage and in-unit laundry, so you don't have to pay the association to use the communal facilities. And then just outside this door, we have a patio. If you want to enjoy that morning cup of coffee, you got a grill you can use. And the best part is the community pool. So you will have coded access to this, so you can be sure that your little ones or anybody that doesn't quite know how to swim yet won't be able to access that without the code, but you are free to use that according to the pool rules. And just down here, I just want to show you how close we are to the beach. Just down this sidewalk, you'll be parking right up here where that blue car is. So past that light pole, just 2 blocks away is the beachfront. You're right there, very easy 5-minute walk. We hope you enjoy your stay here at the Sea Gem.